you going?
I follow you.
Why?
Madam, danger if they set that place so.
My friend, there's no danger in my mother's house. Just go back.
Are you sure?
Yes. Go back.
If you say so.
I said so.
Hi, sugar pie. I missed you. Sit.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
But that's not reflecting on your face.
Don't mind the looks on my face. I'm actually fine.
I am deeply worried. That's why I keep telling you to come live with me. I know that Polycarp Ekwozo cannot take good care of you.
Mom, he is my father.
And I am your mother.
And I can't leave him.
He has poisoned your mind against me, right?
How would you say such a thing?
I have every reason to say that because I know him too well. He is good at making people hate each other. And I can see he has already done that. Because if he hasn't, why won't you come live with me?
Mom, please. I'm not here for fight. I'm not here for quarrel either.
Well, from your approach, it seems that's why you are here.
No. That's not why I'm here.
Very well then. I guess you've come to spend your holiday with me. So tell your driver to unpack your bags. I promise to take good care of you to the least.
That is also not why I'm here.
Hi, Dad.
You better sit down.
All that I have an appointment to catch.
Listen, there is something very important I want us to discuss, and that is why I'm asking you to sit down.
Dad, this important thing can't it wait?
This is the best time for us to hold this discussion. Sit down.
What time to have a discussion now? All right, Dad, I'm seated.
Tobenna, you need to pick a wife and start building your own family.
Are you talking to me, Dad?
Stop playing dumb with me because you know I'm talking to you. Tobenna, you are not getting any younger. And that is why I need you to start thinking of picking a wife so you will start building your own family.
Come on, Dad.
Do you actually think this is funny?
Of course, Dad, it's funny.
Very well then. So why exactly are you here? Because I cannot and do not understand you anymore.
I want you back home. Can't you reconcile with Daddy?
Never! Your father and I are over. I cannot come back to that house. I don't want you to talk about
It's
it.
okay, Mommy. Can't you just forgive? Well, I'll just let it be for now. But be rest assured, I'm coming back for this matter.
Ada. Ada Diche. Ada. Ada. Ada Diche.
Why go open gate at night? Over there!
You were the one sleeping. Can you come and move this car?
Stop that car! Stop the car! Ada Diche. Adam, please calm down.
I'm no longer in the mood.
Let's sort this out.
Mom, we can do this when next I come, please. I'm sorry.
What was the meaning of that? No, why were you laughing over what I said? Does it mean you do not understand the importance of marrying early or what?
Dad, please, can we have this discussion when I come back?
Listen.
Dad, the person I'm going to meet is waiting.
I think the time has come for me to say this the way it should be said. Tobenda, you are not going anywhere until we are done with this discussion.
What? Why? Why would you say a thing like that? Dad, come on, why are you doing this to me?
I have not done anything. You are the one doing yourself.
How?
I need you to take a pause. Consider the request I have just made. Give me a tangible response, and then you will be free to go wherever you want to go.
All right, fine. Dad, let me make this as plain as possible for you to understand. Dad, I'm still very young. I am still very young to start talking about marriage now. I mean, Dad, do you know the restrictions that come with a man pinning his entire life with just one woman? Come on, Dad, you know what I'm talking about. I mean, I have my life to enjoy. Let me enjoy my life, and later we can talk about marriage.
You know, when you sound this way, you give me reason to start wondering if actually my blood is the blood that flows in your body. Tobenda, you are in your prime. And this is the best time for any young man to pick a wife. When I was your age, I was already married.
Dad, you shouldn't be saying that. That was then, Dad. It is no longer obtainable now.
Nothing has changed. The only thing is that you young men of nowadays are so scared of being committed. You are afraid of commitment, and to me, that is the very definition of irresponsibility.
But I know you are not referring to me. Because you know me, that I am your son. I am not scared of rest. I'm not scared of commitment.
Listen to Bennett. Consider what I have just said. Plan to pick a wife and start building a family, or a lot of things will go very awful for you in this house.
Dad, how do you mean?
Do what you are supposed to do. What I am asking you to do. Or you will leave me with no other option than to do what you know I can do.
Obida.
It's me, Chama.
Hey. Madam, welcome.
Thank you. How are you, Adam?
Madam, very fine. Oh.
It's okay.
Hey, madam, this one you come very late. Oga Tobena just drive come out now.
Oh, I saw him. But trust me, he's not going far.
Okay.
So I'll just wait for him inside.
Okay, madam, no problem.
Is Chief in?
Yeah, in the inside.
Okay, I'll be inside.
Okay, madam. Madam, welcome, eh? Yeah, wait, madam, I say yan too.
My one and only madam concerned. The most beautiful and charming. You're not looking happy. What is it?
I'm fine. Come inside.
Well, Chief. My name is Choma. Quite alright. What? My friends call me Chomi, you know.
Show me. That sounds like something edible. Something they eat. Like maybe cake.
Oh.
Or ice cream. Or
Exactly.
maybe banana.
Yeah. You know what, Chief? I'm actually quite edible. It's just that you haven't made any orders, you know.
I don't understand.
What is there to understand, Chief? Don't you like what you see? I mean...
Really?
Take a good look at this. All of this. Don't you like it? Oh, Chief.
Can you tell me what the problem is?
You're not supposed to visit my house without my permission.
I'm sorry about that. I was trying to get you over the phone, but you were not taking my calls. So I got worried.
I don't like it. It has to stop. If you call and I didn't pick, it means one thing. It's either I am busy or I cannot sustain the call where I am.
Well understood. So, what are you saying about my proposal?
Which of the proposal? Because you've proposed some other things. Which one are you talking about?
I'm talking about making you my wife.
Clinton, I told you to give me time to think about it.
I know, but it's taking longer time.
Because it's a decision that will affect my entire life. I don't need to rush it, do I?
You're right.
Thank you.
It's okay, just take your time then, okay?
Thank you.
My cousin is having a birthday party today. So I want us to attend the birthday party together.
Excuse me? Why would you even want to attend a birthday party with me? Why do you say that?
Why not? Why won't you attend a birthday party with me?
Nothing, just that I am not interested in attending party.
Shema, in one very short sentence.
Show me.
What exactly do you want?
Oh, well. I want you.
But can you just please stand?
Why, Jim?
Can you just stand? You should know we can't be doing this here.
Oh.
Someone can easily walk in, and you know what that means.
Okay.
Can you just sit down? We can talk anything it is.
Okay, that's fine. Understandably. Oh!
Listen.
Yes.
I am not a boy not to understand the game you are playing.
I know.
I am not a dullard not to know what you have up your skull. But you should be able to know that I am too decent for this nonsense. Don't try this again. When you are done fooling yourself, you know how to get out.
What exactly is going on here? I thought he was getting ready for us to enjoy ourselves.
How else am I supposed to reconcile my parents? None of them want to hear about each other. Is there anything they did that cannot be easily forgiven? I think there is more to this than the ordinary eyes can see. And I must find a way to resolve whatever the problem is.
Love never dies, baby. Let's wake this love, make it shine again. Like diamond, make it shine again. Oh baby, let us fix this love and make it new. Oh baby, let us fix this love and make it new.
Open your gates.
Madam, this one that you are looking like this, your friend is not bright as the morning star at the back. Madam, what's happened?
It's fine. It's nothing I can handle. Just open the gate.
No, madam, don't tell me like this now. Tell me what is the problem. I promise you I will have a solution.
Are you stupid? Don't you understand simple English? I said open the gate.
Sorry, madam.
Sorry for yourself.
Yeah.
Adam, come here.
Okay, sir. I'm here.
To the best of your knowledge, that lady, she comes into this compound for Tobena, my son, right?
Yes, sir. To the best of my knowledge, she is Tobena babe.
Listen, now from today going forward, on no account must you open that gate for her to come into this compound when Tobena is not in the house. Have I clearly understood?
Yes, sir. What didn't happen? What didn't happen? Abi, she don't go commit. How? Village people don't come. Village people don't come. Oh God. Anything we go want that beautiful woman to get problem for this house. Father, I bind it in the name of Jesus. Because the Bible says, whatever I declared on earth shall be established in heaven. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. Let the church say, amen. God take charge.
Daddy, I want to ask you a question. And I want you to give me an honest answer.
Well, if I have an answer to the question you want to ask me, trust me, I will give you a very positive response.
So what exactly happened between you and my mother?
Well, the question you just asked me should be better answered by your mother.
So does it mean you don't know anything that happened between both of you?
Technically, yes. I don't know anything.
But something is telling me you know much about it.
Well, if it has gotten to the point that something is now talking to you, then you can as well ask that something to give you the answer you seek.
Dad, we're not done talking. You can just walk out on me like that. We're not done talking. Dad! Dad!
Love never dies, baby. Let's work this love, make it shine again, like diamond, make it shine.
Yeah, hello?
Listen, whatever you think you are planning with Adadeche would not work. I bet my life to it.
I don't understand. I am not planning anything with her.
Do not play that game with me because you know exactly what I am talking about. And I want you to stop. Stop already.
I don't know where this is coming from. I don't know what you are saying. I'm not planning anything with Adadeche.
Polycarp Ekwozo, I've always known you not just to be a pretender, but a liar. A big liar.
Listen, woman, you should mind how you talk. You are speaking with a titled man and you should be very conscious of the kind of things you say.
When a titled man put up an act despicable of the title he parades, he will be spoken to in an unlike manner. Yes.
You know what I feel? Something is actually eating you up. Are you not going to open up for us to see how we can help instead of dying in silence?
It is you something is really eating deep into because I don't see why you should send Adadeche to come plead with me to reconcile with you.
Well, if Adadeche actually did what you just said, she is on her own. I did not send her to you, and I will never send her to you.
Polycarp Ekwozo. You know your problem? Pride. Pride is trying to bend your head. And until you come on your knees and beg me for forgiveness, I will never return to that house. Mark it.
See, obnoxious request is what you are making. And I, High Chief Polycarp Ekwozo, will never succumb to the manipulations of a woman suffering from delusions of grandeur. I am not ever going to apologize over an offense I did not commit. Apologize to the woman who just packed her things and left my house for no reason. Just get out of my phone.
What is wrong with this man? He's a beast. A real beast. Oh, you think he can intimidate me? I won't allow him to do that to me. I will never allow him to do that to me. Not more.
Please, so our love will shine, please, like diamond in the morning down.
What is wrong with this woman? Courtesy demands that before any decent human being enters into a room that is not his own, that he should knock on the door.
That I was actually going out and Adam told me that you locked the gate.
I was just telling you something about courtesy. Why are you not talking about that?
Dad, please. I'm not here for any lecture about courtesy.
Listen, you have to apply the rule of courtesy before I can discuss anything with you. Go ahead.
You didn't just say that, Dad.
I said it. Go out there and then knock on that door and allow me to ask you to come in. That is courtesy.
Dad, listen. I have a club to attend this night, okay? And my friends are already waiting for me. Please, can I have the keys? Please.
You are very stupid. Apply the rule of courtesy if you want us to discuss anything.
All right, fine.
Good.
Father, I will go out and come in, but please, before I come back, have the keys handy. Get them ready.
Very stupid idiot. Yes, come in.
All right. I'm in. The keys?
The gate is actually locked because you are not going anywhere.
Why, Father? I mean, why are you doing everything possible to turn this peaceful home, this peaceful family, into a military facility? Why?
Well, it has become a military facility. You remember I told you that things will actually get very awful for you in this very place. If you fail to pick a woman, you will make your wife.
Father, why are you forcing me to marry? Why are you forcing me to marry? My grandfather never forced you to marry. Why are you doing that to me, Father?
Well, it is not a force to marry naturally, but your case has become very unnatural. And that is why it is a force for you to get married. You are going to get married. Okay?
All right, Father. Let me make this plain to you so you can understand. That my friends are waiting for me at the club. I need to go out and ball.
Call them and let them know you are not coming. Because you are not going anywhere. You are not leaving this compound for anywhere. Okay? Unless you want to escape through the fences, and if you try that, you are not coming into this compound again.
Why do I feel like strangling you at times?
Can you? You can't. You are my son, and you have to do what I want you to do for your own good.
Good morning, my angel. How are you?
I'm not ready.
This one you're dressed already. It's obvious you're going out.
I'm going out. Can I have a word with you?
All right. Why not? I'm all ears.
Okay.
What is it?
So I just want to know, is it that you're not interested in this reconciliation process and you want to initiate for daddy and mommy?
No, I am not interested. Man, it's none of my business.
Why?
Listen, I'm not a teacher. Mom and dad are two adults who know exactly what they want for themselves and then what they want for their lives. Okay? And part of what they want is to live separately and remain happy for the rest of their lives. Alright, so I'm of the opinion that you forget about this, your reconciliation, whatever you call it, and just get busy with something you find yourself. Okay? Let nature take its full course.
You know, I'm so disappointed to hear this from you.
Of course, I know that you're going to be disappointed because you hate to hear the truth.
No,
Oh.
I don't hate to hear the truth. I mean, I just want them back. I want them to live in the same house, under the same roof. Nothing else.
Easier said than done. That's not possible. Okay? And it's quite unfortunate that there is nothing you or I can do about it.
Can I tell you something? It's possible.
Oh.
Because I've actually added it to my agenda and I'm going to achieve it. Definitely.
I'm watching the movie.
Love never dies.
Let me see how it turns out.
Baby, let's work this love. Make it shine again. Like diamond. Make it
Ada,
I wasn't expecting to see you back so soon.
Well, you should be expecting to see me often until you reconcile with my daddy.
If you're here to talk about your father, then I'm not interested.
Okay, can I just ask a question?
Please do.
What exactly happened between both of you?
I don't have answer to that question.
So, should I just believe you woke up one day and decided to pack your things and leave his house? Is that it?
Your father should be the one to answer that question perfectly because I don't know. Maybe, just maybe he can tell you what happened.
This is exactly what he told me when I asked him. So does it mean both of you are hiding something from us?
In particular, I am not hiding anything, but I can't say same for your father.
Girlfriend, I'll see you soon.
You are playing a dangerous game, Choma. A very dangerous game, and it will backfire soon. Sooner than you know.
Well, trust me, my darling friend. I'm in charge of this circus. Nothing will backfire.
I have seen games like this, deadly games like this backfire, and trust me, it comes with their consequences.
Mm-hmm. I know that. But I want to assure you 100%, this will work. It won't backfire.
Okay. Or can I ask you a question?
As usual, feel free, anything.
Why did you decide to settle for a secret relationship with Chief?
Come on. You don't need to be so bright or too intelligent to have an answer to that question. Chief has loads and loads of money. And if I succeed in luring him to bed with me, he's going to spend it on me without restriction. And that's what I want. What's a girl without money?
I hate to tell you that Chief doesn't strike to me like that kind of a loose person. He is too principled to play such games. And besides, Tobena is very wealthy. He's got lots of money to throw around. If you ask him, he would give it all to you.
What's your problem? Babe, why you drink Panadol for my headache?
So...
Don't be waiting. Let me ask you a question. You have the owner of a bakery. And you have the manager, or even the baker. Who would you go for? No, tell me. I want the sauce. Chief is the sauce. And that's what I want. I be they go push sugar for a mouth and go say remove an bitter leaf I want. Baby, I be know they bother me again now. See, don't interfere. I've warned you.
Babe, chill now. You never reach like that. You never reach for bakery. Owner of bakery, baker, and even bread.
You don't pass.
Slow down. Slow down. Settle with Tobena. I don't want you to regret anything, my friend.
No regrets. I am in charge. Okay? Stop. What? Babe, how did they make money when you say they stay this house? You never even rent your house. You want to teach me I want to live my life. What thing they happen now? Baby, you'll go find house, so.
Let's come bring all this.
No. It's very, very important. Wait, what's this? If I wanted to live with my father and mother, I would have just, gone back to the house. I wouldn't have rented an apartment in the first place. And now you're squatting and you want to teach me how to live my life?
You don't reach to insult
No, you don't reach. You don't reach. Might put you in your place. You don't get a relationship. You want to advise me for a relationship. Babe, allow me go do my thing. How do I look? What is her? Why are they surprised they look me? Never see if I get before. How do I look? Look me up, down, up, down. What's up?
You look good.
And smile when you're saying it.
You look good.
Now you're talking. Thank you.
Are you going already?
Yes, I have to go.
Just like that?
Just like that. That reminds me. Who is Mr. Clinton to you?
What?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of stupid question is that?
I just want to know. Who is it to you?
Do you think I have anything to do with him?
I don't know. Maybe you should tell me.
Now listen, Adadiche. For the record, I don't have anything to do with Mr. Clinton, and that's all you will know about him.
Oh. Really? And a visit?
What?
Nothing. Wow. That's nice. So when do you plan on coming back? You don't know? It's okay. It's okay.
Love never dies, baby. Let's work this love. Make it shine again, like diamond. Make it shine again, oh baby. Let us fix this love.
Dad, please, I will give my car keys. Did you by any chance see it?
I have the key.
All right, could I have it?
Well, I told you that things will go very awful for you in this house if you fail to introduce a woman for marriage. Were you actually thinking I was joking when I said that?
Dad, why are you doing this? Please, Dad, don't tell me that this game you're playing, you mean it.
You are very stupid to be referring to this as a game. You know, your biggest problem is that you don't even know the man who your father is. He is not one of those men that will say things and will not mean them.
All right, Dad, I've heard you. I'll think about it.
Tobenna, I am not expecting you to think about it. I am actually expecting you to do something about it, and until you do, your means of transportation is car. Oh yes, and don't make the mistake of going to buy another car, because if you try that, within 24 hours, I am going to impound that new car.
Why? Dad, why? Why are you doing this? Dad, why are you bent on frustrating me? Why? What have I done? That I've told you, give me time, I will think about what he said.
As far as I am concerned, I am already done with you.
Love never dies, baby. Let's work this love. Make it shine again, like diamond. Make it shine again.
Sorry, give me a minute.
Oh my God.
Hi. So I want you to do something for me.
Waiting with that, madam.
You know Mr. Clinton?
It's okay, that time away in here they shine like Omolo. I know.
How many times does he come here in a week?
Times. Three times in a week. 9 they come.
3 times?
3.
And does he pass the night here?
Pass. No, they sleep here. My first time we sleep here. No, they sleep here. If you come,
Can
you
you
go.
do me a favor?
Favor.
I'll send you money to your account.
Money? Now is small they talk. I got madam. What do you want me to do for you? Talk. Tell me.
Okay, anytime he comes here, just be at alert. Anytime he comes here, just give me a call.
I give you a call, finish.
That's all.
Now I know the problem now.
You can do it, right?
Hey, sharp.
Okay, so just give me your account number.
We can turn back the time, but we can make it right.
This business so taking money for inside though.
We can
draw your guest there now.
Put your account number for them.
but we can heal the fight.
Sunday.
Give your papa name.
You will say and then not trying to ask me. You are my papa.
Come papa name now.
Sam.
Chief.
How did you get into my room?
Come on, Chief. Well, I know the nooks and crannies of this house. Come on.
Really? So, what exactly are you doing in my room, lying on my bed?
Well, Chief, I came to make your day a wonderful one. Come on. I know you're a strong man, but you don't have to be this hard with me. Strong men do unwind at times, you know. And can we just get busy and get back to business?
Listen. I am not hurried. I'm going to do something that may be defined as unthinkable.
You're hurting me.
I will do worse than hurting you if you fail to get out of this room right now.
Oh my word,
You claim you know the nooks and crannies of this house, but you don't actually know the man who built the house.
Oh, Chief, come on, it's no fault of mine. I mean, you mean the world to me and I love you so much. But you're still hurting me.
Can you get on, wear your footwear, and get out of this room this minute?
Come on, Chief, I love you.
Listen, if you fail to get out of this room right now, I am going to call my security and I will ask him to molest you. Listen, nothing will happen. You want to dare me? You really want to dare me?
I'm just trying to make your day good.
Get out.
Okay. Well, you're missing a lot, Chief. I mean, do you mean you want to really let this go like all of this? Okay.
What is this? What will I not see?
Wait, I hate to say that I told you or that I warned you. This is not going to work.
So why are you laughing? What's funny? Is this a comedy show? Can you keep your opinions to yourself? I don't need your snide remarks. Why is he behaving the way he did? Come on. At first he was nice to me. He gave me money each time I visited his son. Then now why would he just turn around and...
I didn't get that part. I missed that part. You mean this man was nice to you at some point and you mistook his kindness for interest in your powerhouse? Hello? Come on, girlfriend, grow up.
Are you even okay? Was I talking to you? I wasn't even talking to you in the first place. What do you mean by grow up? Babe, respect yourself now. Which kind of thing be this one?
But you know what I mean.
No, I don't know what you mean. Respect yourself. Stay out of my issues. Back out of my matters.
Come on, Chummy.
You go find a gentle.
Chuma, this man, the last I checked, this man is a good and generous man. He's a nice man.
Hello.
Hi.
Wake up from your slumber. There is no good and generous man in this country. Trust me. No free lunch in Freetown. in this Nigerian one with this, babe, there is no man that will be kind or nice to any girl without wanting to even go down with her. Wake up from your slumber.
I hate to say that this man has finally busted your bubbles. He has proven to you that not every man is interested in your... You know what I mean? Wake up. This man is not going to be interested. Stop this whole game.
He will be. You see this, your unsolicited advice? Stop it. As for Chief, I want to rest until Chief and I are stuck naked on a bed with our arms wrapped around each other, lovingly at that.
Well, I will be seated here, waiting to tell you that I warned you.
No. Here's what you would do, my darling. You will pick up your phone and call an agent to get you a house, because I am so done with you in this house. Stay out of my matters, for God's sake.
Okay, let me hear one.
Give your opinions to yourself and go get a house. Yes, go get your house.
You won't carry the house for heads.
Baby, you come off my house today. You know what? No, this arrangement no go work.
What is wrong with her daddy share? She has not eaten her food again? What is going on? Her daddy share! Her daddy share! Here you are. I saw your food left on the dining, untouched. That means you have not eaten anything.
I'm not hungry. I don't have appetite for food.
If you don't have appetite for that kind of food, you are supposed to tell me what you want. You know I would have ordered it for you.
Food is not my priority now.
Really?
Yes. I mean, of what use is food to me when my parents are separated and none of them could be matured enough to relate things with me? Tell me what happened? What happened so that we can sort things out?
Adadiche, you have just diverted the subject matter here.
Daddy, this is the main deal. Talk to me. What happened? Because I am no longer happy with all these things. I don't like it.
Why are you overworking yourself? Why? Listen, there is this new restaurant in town. Very cozy. Everything is almost in perfect state. I can take you there. If you prepare, I will take you there. Let us order something nice and eat.
Are you being serious right now? You know one thing about you, you don't always take things serious. And I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm not hungry. I don't want to eat.
Love never die, baby. Let's wake this love. Make it shine again, like diamond. Make it shine again, oh baby. Let us fix this love. and make it new.
Listen.
I hope I didn't keep you waiting.
I know. You're permitted to do whatever you want.
Okay.
Why is it not opening?
I don't know.
I'm sure it's not a fake one.
Oh, what do you take me for? Like, I'm going to get a fake drink or something.
It's possible.
Come on, baby. Don't do that. So, I actually called here so that we can discuss something very important.
Okay. I'm all ears.
All right. I want us to take this our relationship. I want us to take it to the next level.
Okay, what level are you talking about?
The level of marriage.
Are you indirectly proposing to me?
Yes.
What's
that?
What?
Please. Be my wife.
That was smooth. What if I refuse?
You won't refuse, baby.
Why?
Because I'm the best.
Of course you are. Yes.
All right.
It's It is so beautiful.
I hope you like it.
I love it.
Thank you for accepting to be my wife.
Have I ever told you I love you?
You've said it over 1,000 times, baby.
Well, I want to say it one more time. I love you.
I love you more.
I love you more.
If you listen to me, you will agree that there is a need for you to settle with your husband.
Sonia, I don't want to believe that you left your house to this place to preach reconciliation to me. Huh?
Hell no, sweetheart. No. I only came here to tell you that husbands and wives do have challenges and misunderstanding. But the ability to settle it without third parties, it's what strengthens the bond in marriage.
I see.
Yeah.
Well, I am not interested. You can take the sermon to someone else.
To where, if I may ask?
To Chief. I believe he needs the sermon more than I do.
Come on, my friend. Chief is a man. An African man at that. Oh, hold on. Are you waiting for Chief to come here, kneeling and begging you for forgiveness? No, let me know. But let me tell you, if it is what you are waiting for, then you should have everything.
You see your problem? You've joined the wagon of women killing women. Who says a man doesn't need a marriage seminar to attend, listen, and know the do's and don'ts in marriage? No, I'm asking. Well, I am not interested, and that is period. If you don't want to change the topic, you can. The door is open.
There's no problem, but you will need it when it's important.
Me.
You don't know the plans.
That's not my concern. You should understand.
I'm saying this.
Wait, did Chief ask you to come and tell me this?
This is really beautiful.
Babe, don't you think this calls for a bigger celebration?
Of course.
Okay.
I was about to say that. You just took the words right out of my mouth.
Okay.
Tell me, where are you taking me to?
Guess.
Just tell me. Please.
You say it.
Tell me.
You say it.
No, tell me.
Wherever you want, baby.
Oh, hold that thought.
Oh.
Before you spill,
Okay.
I have a favor to ask of you.
Anything, babe. I'm equal to the task. I mean, anything you want, I'll do it.
Relax. Can we stay with Chief here in this house after our wedding?
Hell no. Come on. I mean, there's no way we're staying here. Look, there's a duplex somewhere waiting for us to move in the moment we're done with our marriage, okay? My dad said it's a wedding gift.
Well, I still think we should stay with Chief after our wedding.
Why?
Because, I mean, Chief will be all alone. I feel like he deserves the love and attention a woman can give to him. You know, ever since your mother left, he hasn't had that. So I feel after our wedding, we could move in here, you know, take care of him together. And perhaps when your mother comes back, we can then move into the duplex. What do you think?
I think you have a point. Okay, I think you have a point. All right, I will give it a thought.
What do you need to think about? Come on.
Everything.
Like what exactly?
All right. Yes. We'll stay here.
You see why I love you. Oh my God, thank you. Oh, I love you.
I love you
So
more.
tell me, where are you taking me?
You name it, baby. I'm equal to the task.
Yeah, Mr. Jackson, the way you are sounding, it is very clear you have not actually checked your email. Check your email and you will discover that the business has pulled through. We are 1 billion naira richer. I told you that I have a very strong business acumen and you think I was joking or something? Listen, when I get involved in any business, it always says true. You know what, Mr. Jackson? I am going to call you back. My daughter just walked in, and the way she's looking at me, it appears as if there is something she wants to say. So let me take care of her and I will call you back. Guess what, my girl?
No, no, Papa, I can't guess.
At least guess. Be in the mood and guess.
No, I can't guess.
Okay, I'll tell you. There is a business we just see that this family has become 1 billion naira richer. You're supposed to be excited.
Why?
What?
Of what use is success in business and fat account when your family is disjointed?
Why are you sounding this way? You live here. Your mother packed her things and left on her own. I did not send her away. She left on her own because she was listening to her very useless friends who may have told her that a woman should not be living under a man, that a woman should be very free to do whatever she wants to do. She left. So what do you want me to do?
Daddy, as an African man that you are, as a real man that you are, the value you're supposed to keep is your family being intact. You're supposed to live together with your wife and not the other way around.
So I should do what? I don't understand.
You should call your wife back, talk some sense into her, give her the reason, the need for her to stay back,
Listen,
nothing else.
I am not going to do a thing like that because I am the son of my father. My father told me that a man who is a man, on no account, must he go begging a woman who left a marriage on her own. Why would you do that? Many of the men who did that actually died before their time. I am not going to do that. I don't want to die before my time. Okay?
Okay. So you want to throw everything?
What?
Everything you've worked for. You were the one that told me that you worked so hard to make your money. You worked harder to build your family.
Okay.
So all of a sudden you want to throw everything just because of common sorry. Since it's sorry she's seeking, just apologize and let everything go.
You know, listening to you, it is actually very clear she's the one that put these words in your mouth.
No.
Apologize to her on what ground? She left on her own. I did not send her away. So why should I go and apologize to her?
Daddy.
What crime did I commit?
What you did wrong or what you did right does not count now. What matters now is you making peace for your family. Your family should be your priority, nothing else. Before business. Please, Daddy. Call your wife back.
Hey! What is that?
Love never die, baby. Let's work this love. Make it shine again.
I hope there's no problem.
Yes, there's no problem. I just want you to do me a favor.
Okay. If it is something that I can do, be rest assured that I will do it.
Yes, I am very sure that it's something you can do. That's why I want to talk to you about it.
Okay, let's hear it.
Sonia, listen, I want you to help me talk to Madam Concern. Listen, I love her so much. And I want her in my life. I want to make her my wife.
What? She's someone's wife. What is going on with you? Have you forgotten?
No, she was. She was someone's wife. They are separated now, and I really want...
They are not separated. They're only having issues, which is common in marriage. Now listen, Clinton. Marriage can only be deemed and separated only when the man collects back the bride price that was paid on the woman's head, or the woman returned the bride price that was paid on their head. But in this case, none of that has happened.
Good evening, my angel. Oh!
So you're happy like this. What's going on?
I am super excited.
It's showing all over your face.
How good news.
Really? Tell me. I love good news.
Okay. I have found the woman I want to spend the rest of my life.
Oh! This is not just good news, it is great news.
Oh, you can say that again.
I just wish Mom and Dad can just attend this wedding as one big home, one big family.
Well, the truth is I wish that too, but it's quite unfortunate. I mean, there's nothing you nor I can do about it.
Let's not rule it out yet.
You say so.
So, who is this lucky lady?
Guess.
Guess? I can't guess.
Okay, let me tell you. They call her Chioma. I mean, her name is Chioma, but I call her Chomi. Chomi, the love of my life.
Chioma. Wow.
Do you have a problem with that?
No, not at all. I just feel since both of you know each other very well, I mean, things will work out. Definitely.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, this is a good news.
So we're going to celebrate, right?
Yes. Of course.
All right. So let me get us something to celebrate.
No problem.
Why are you always doing this?
What did I do?
Coming to my house without letting me know first.
I'm sorry about that.
That is what you said the last time you did it. Does it mean you are not in control of your actions?
Listen, I think we have something more important to talk about. So I am of the opinion we'll talk about it.
Very well. I'm all ears. What could that be?
I want you to return the bride price Chief paid on your head.
You say? You didn't just say that, did you?
I just did. I love you so much, Concern. And you mean the whole world to me. I want to make you my wife. Just return the bride price Chief paid on your head, and I will come with my people and pay your real bride price.
Wait. This is the highest joke I've heard in my life.
Come on, sweetheart. This is no joke. I'm serious.
I don't have time to discuss things.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a God in charge. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain.
I hope Tobenna is not planning to keep me here forever.
Daddy, calm down. They'll soon be here.
Listen, Adadisha, this is not about coming down. I have a business to control in my room. This is about the time some of my business partners in Europe are waiting for us to start a meeting, and I'm just here waiting. They should come for us to handle whatever it is.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Dad.
Good afternoon, Chief.
Good afternoon.
Oh, Dad. This is Choma. My angel. You already know her. The lady I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Tobenna, you will not marry her.
What? Dad. Honey, wait, please wait. Wait, please wait, please, I beg you, okay, we can sort this out, please.
Does it mean you didn't tell your father that I was coming?
My love, I did, I told him.
So why the humiliation?
I don't know. Angel, I don't know. Okay? Look, what I want from you right now is just to be calm. Okay? Please, I promise you I'll sort this out.
I wish I can, but this is really disturbing. Why would you behave this way with me?
Come here. It's alright. I don't know, but let's just stay together. Everything will be fine. No, I know. What do you want me to get for you?
Anything.
Anything. Are you sure? That's my Smile.
Daddy, what just happened?
And I need to stay out of this.
I wish I can, but I can't. What happened?
What is happening here is far bigger than you. And that is why I'm asking you to stay very far away from this.
Is it that you know any ugly thing about that Auntie Choma that we don't know?
Well, I don't want to have that conversation with you. Can you respect that?
Daddy, you are beginning to act strange and I don't like it.
Well, like I told you, I have a business to be doing in my room.
Daddy! Daddy!
Stay out of this.
I can't stay out of it because it is my family matter. Daddy! What of a thing is this? What kind of terrible home is this?
What you're saying is the reason Chief rejected his son's proposal to me was simply because I tried to seduce him?
Yes.
No.
I told you, girlfriend.
No.
I told you the game you were playing was going to backfire. And now it has. You are on the crossroad.
That's not the reason.
That is the reason, Chomi. Chief now sees you as a loose woman. And there is no man on planet Earth in his right senses that would let its son marry a woman like you.
Why would you say something like that to me? How dare you call me a loose woman? Why are you trying to insult me? You and I know that I am not loose.
Yes, you are not a loose woman. We both know you are not a loose woman. But that's what Chief sees you as. That's what you've presented to him, that you are a loose woman.
Okay, fine. What do you suggest I do now?
Well, I can't think of anything right now. But when I do, I'll let you know.
I knew you were useless, but I wasn't measuring how much. Talking to you is like putting water in a basket. Very empty.
And what is this? Father, you asked me to go and get married. In fact, you convinced me to go and get married. Now I have taken a step towards that. And all of a sudden you're saying I won't get married to the girl. Why?
That is because you took the decision or you made the move towards the wrong direction.
How, Father?
And I'm not going to allow you to be with that girl. It's as simple as that.
Father, what are you saying? I mean, how is my decision to marry Choma a step in the wrong direction?
Best known to me.
No, Father. No, you tell me. You tell me your reason because I am the one directly involved here.
Listen, Tabenna, I am not going to tell you why I have decided that you will not be with her.
Huh?
Because you don't need to be told. I just want you to select another girl. I will give my consent.
No, Father, I won't do that. Father, I will not do that until you give me your reason why I shouldn't marry Choma.
I am not going to be holding this argument with you because I've already made up my mind on this. Select another girl. There are so many girls. Select another one and we are fine.
Why, Father? Why?
Because you cannot be with Choma. Can't you understand it?
Father, why are you frustrating me? What have I done to you? Why? Father, I won't let you. I will not let you continue to remote my life. I won't.
Fortunately for you, there is nothing you can do.
Watch me.
If I should tell him the reason, make him understand the kind of woman he wants to make his wife, he will not be ratting like this.
Yes, hold on. You didn't tell me you were coming. That is because there's an emergency. What's the emergency?
Are you aware that your son Tobena is about to get married?
Sonia, please don't get me started, okay? I know you're lying because if my Tobena is planning on getting married, I should be the first person to know about it.
That's because you've chosen to stay away from your family. Yes!
Don't even go there because you are not a stranger on this. You know all about it. Are you trying to pull my legs? Or is my Tobena really getting married?
Yes, my dear friend. And so many things will elude you. If you continue to stay here, I will tell you the truth.
Sonia, so I would advise you go back to your husband. Ha! Polycarpia. What can you not do? You are planning on getting my son's wedding done without me consenting to it. I see. I see.
Love never die, baby. Let's work this love. Make it shine again, like diamond. Make it shine again. Oh baby, let us fix this love.
Rosabelle, it is clear you have something with Daddy. So why are you not discussing it with me?
Adadija, listen. I am not in the right frame of mind right now. I'm not in a good mood to discuss any nonsense.
So do you know why Daddy rejected our teacher as a what?
There's no need finding out. I mean, it's very clear. Dad wants to control my life. Dad wants to control my life. He wants to impose on me the woman I will spend the rest of my life with. But that's not going to be possible. Flash news, that is not possible.
But you and I know that Daddy cannot make such a decision without a reason. So I think you should go and ask him why he made such decision.
Have you not been listening to what I've been saying? I just told you the reason Dad rejected Choma. What else to find out?
I was to say there must be a reason. Because it is obvious. He can't just say such. There must be a reason.
What if at the end of the day there's no reason? I mean, there's no reason whatsoever Dad rejected Choma. Huh?
It's not possible. I think you should go and do your findings. Because it's not possible. He can't just reject her like that.
Let's take this step and make our way back home, baby. Let's take this step and make our way back home. Love is waiting for us. Our hearts are made for each other.
Why did he reject her to be a daughter-in-law of the family?
I do not know, Mother. I don't.
What if I tell you that I know why he rejected her to become your wife?
Mom? You know why?
Of course. Is he not a man I've lived with over 3 decades? That is because he wants to continue controlling your life. He had it all planned already that he will be the one to get a wife for you. That is Polycarpia.
Exactly what I told him, Mom.
But that will never work.
I said it.
Mother, that will never work.
Oh my heavens.
Who are you?
I should be asking you that question, Mr. Man.
I said, who are you?
Clinton, please. Stop. What is the meaning of this?
What? Stay out of this. Stay out of this. I want you out of this place this minute.
What?
Are you mad? Are you demented, foolish, or something? What the hell are you two working and start giving orders?
I should be asking you, are you mad?
Are you foolish?
Have you lost it?
Are you mad?
No, please.
Are you talking to me? Like you're talking to me?
What the fuck are you?
Oh my God! No! Please stop! 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 Stop, please! Stop! Oh God! Clinton!
Chief, I am so sorry. Please, forgive me.
For the records, I bear no grudges against you.
Thank you, Chief. Then kindly approve of your son's marriage proposal to me.
There are so many things I can easily approve. But there is no way in this world I will approve of you becoming a daughter-in-law to this family. That is one mistake I will never make.
It simply means you haven't forgiven me.
There is nothing to forgive, my dear. Nothing.
Chief, what happened was the handwork of the devil. I was not in my right frame of mind. I'm sorry.
Listen, I hate it so much when people start blaming the devil when they show who they are. You see, that man or that woman called the devil that you people keep calling, he or she has absolutely nothing to do with what you did. You showed what is right on the inside of you. That is it. And if I should allow my son to end up with you as a wife, then he will end up every now and then in the hospital trying to check the DNA test of all the children we are going to bear. And he may die before his time when he discovers rudely that he is not the biological father of any of them. I'm not going to do that.
Chief, I promise to love and cherish my husband forever. I promise I will never cheat on him.
You know one thing about you women is that you like to sing. Women sing a whole lot. And as far as I'm concerned, you are singing. Listen, I actually came down here to relax after the extensive meeting I had with my business partners in Europe, meeting I had in my room. I came down here because there is a counselor that is coming for another meeting. I want you to leave because I wouldn't want that man to come and meet you here. Please. Please.
Madam, it's you.
Why is he walking on foot?
I don't know.
Please stop the car. What happened?
One idiot. One bastard fought me at Mom's place.
What? Has it gotten to this extent? Mr. Clinton, fighting my brother.
You know him?
Yes.
Who is he?
I think Mommy has a better answer to that. Where are you going to?
I'm going home.
Let's go. Let's go. Mom.
Yes?
To the best of my knowledge, you are still married to my father, right?
For now, yes, but I will soon divorce him.
Before that, I think you should accord him the respect he deserves.
What are you talking about, Ada?
Someone fought Brother Tobe in your house, and I asked you. You got offended. Why?
Can you just be mindful of your words? You are talking to your mother.
If you don't withdraw from whatever thing you have with that guy, you will end up incurring causes for yourself.
Can you just be quiet? I told you already I don't have anything to do with that guy. Why can't you just trust me?
So why did he fight with Brother Tobe?
It's just a misconception that I'm about to sort out. And I will do that very soon.
Misconception?
Yes, misconception.
Fine, tell me about it.
What do you mean I should tell you about
No,
it?
go ahead.
I see you are here to ridicule me. But I'm not going to let you do that. This is my house. Okay? So if you don't want to come stay with me, have good time, use the door.
Mom.
Yes?
Mom.
Yes?
This is becoming too much.
It's my life after all.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a golden child. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. This rain go fall, always rain go fall.
What happened to your face?
Babe, we'll talk about that later. Okay, I need us to talk.
About what?
I want to ask you something very important, okay? And I need you to be very honest with me here.
Okay, go ahead.
Why did my father reject you? I mean, why did he say I'm not going to get married to you?
Your father should be the one to answer that question.
I have asked him and he said nothing to me.
Well, I don't know. I mean, I can't think of anything. I insist he is the one to answer the question, not me.
Listen, babe. I need you to think, okay? You need to think deeper. Check very well. Are you sure you didn't do anything to my father? I mean, how come? He asked me to go and get a woman to marry. Okay, and I brought you and all of a sudden he said no.
Okay. Tell me, what could I possibly do to your father? Nothing, right? So there's no need for this question. You should ask your father. Because to the best of my knowledge, I didn't do anything. Now tell me, what happened to your face?
I'm sorry I overreacted. Besides, I didn't know you have a grown-up son.
Do you need to know that I have a grown-up son before you could control your temper?
I'm very sorry. It will not happen again.
So if it were my husband that came here, you would have fought him.
Come on, baby. Stop calling that man your husband.
Of course, he's still my husband. At least for now.
He ceased to be your husband the moment he allowed you walk out of his house. Listen, baby. I love you. I love you so much. All I ask is for you to give me a chance to prove my love to you.
Clinton, please, if you don't mind, can I be left alone? I need a moment alone.
All right. I will grant your request. But have you forgiven me?
Can you just please let me be for now?
That's okay. Oh. I'll see you later in the day.
Weekend will be better.
That's okay. I'll keep in touch.
How did I cross path with this one? He's not even ready to take no for an answer. Oh, my days.
How did it go?
He's asking questions.
What kind of questions?
He wants to know why his father said no to us.
That means you have lots of work to do. You have to try everything you can to conceal this from him.
I'm confused. How do I conceal this secret?
I think you should go back to Chief and beg him. Beg him to forgive and forget that any of this ever happened, so that he doesn't bring it out to Bena.
You think I haven't tried? He's not ready to listen to me.
You have to do everything possible to make him forget about this. Because I don't know, I just don't want to imagine how Tobena will feel when he gets to know that you went all out to seduce his father.
Can you just stop making it appear so, it was a mistake. You and I know that.
Girlfriend, it's not a mistake. It wasn't a mistake. You knew what you wanted to do before you did it. So no, it's not a mistake.
Well, there's an end to everything. I want to use this medium to announce to you that this is the end of your autocratic way of life.
What are you talking about?
Don't even pretend that you don't know. First, you kept it a secret to me that my Tobena is planning on getting married. Secondly, you have refused that he will go ahead and marry the love of his life because you had it all planned out to impose your choice of a woman on him.
Listen, if this is the reason you have called me, it simply means you have nothing to say, and I will plead with you to get out of my phone.
Polycarp Ekwozo, why are you like this? Why do you always want people to do your wishes? Why?
I don't know. Why are you making a case out of nothing? I am only insisting that he is not going to be with that girl, but I am not imposing any woman on him.
Then allow him to go ahead and marry the lady he presented to you.
I will not do a thing like that. I will never do that.
You know what? You've always had your way. But this time, it won't work. Trust me, it will not work.
Why are they forcing me to open up on the reason I don't want Chioma anywhere near this family? Why? Adam! Open that gate.
Love never dies, baby.
Nonsense.
Let's work this love. Make it shine again. Like diamond. Make it shine again. Oh, baby. Let us fix this love and make it new. Oh, baby. Let us fix this love.
Clinton, do you want me to spell it out for you to understand? I can never talk to my friend on your behalf. What is it?
Sonia, please. You're my last resort. You're the only person that can help me talk to Concern. Please, don't do this. Don't turn me down. Please.
Like I said before, I am not going to talk to her. Please, get that into your score.
Sonia, please. You can do this. Please.
Clinton, why are you doing this? Why are you making me look like a bad person here? Can't you understand?
Sonia, I am not trying to make you look like a bad person. Serious. The subject matter is so serious to me. You can do this, please.
And I insist, I'm not going to help you. Come on, the woman in question has grown-up children. And I was informed you fought with her son. Isn't that enough reason for you to understand that this woman belongs to someone else? Come on, you need to move on.
So, how did it go with Auntie Chema?
She said nothing.
She still can't explain why Daddy kicked against your proposal to her.
You know, I'm confused here. I mean, why are they not saying anything?
So what are you going to do now?
I don't know. I'm just confused because the same dad who asked me to go and get a woman that I want to spend the rest of my life with, he's the same dad that all of a sudden is kicking against it.
And I think you're not pressing him so hard.
What do you mean by that? Pressing him? What do you mean? I should force him to talk to me?
No, I mean, he should have a reason for kicking against that. So I think you should just keep talking to him.
You know, I don't just understand this man anymore. How can a man be this mean to everyone around him?
He is not mean to me. There must be a reason for this. Since he's insisting that you will not marry her, just go and know what's going on. Ask him his reasons and, stop drawing conclusions that could be wrong.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a golden child. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. Yes, rain go fall. Oh, yes, rain go follow. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain, no. Yes, rain go fall. A golden child. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear at all. Yes, rain go fall. She know the right thing to do. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain. Yes, rain go fall. Trouble comes and goes, but she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear trouble. Yes, rain go fall. But she not the fear rain, no.
morning, Daddy.
Good morning, both of you. How are you today?
Oh, fine, thank you.
Good to know. So why are you here this early?
Daddy, we're actually here because of Auntie Choma.
Listen, that girl is the last person I want to talk about right now. Please.
Dad, please. I'm actually here to plead with you. Please. Whatever Choma has done, in fact, whatever I have done equally, Father, we are sorry. Please approve of our marriage. I beg you.
I will do no such thing. I will not approve of that marriage. It's as simple as that.
All right. Fine. Father, bear in mind that with or without you, I am getting married to Choma. That's fine. It has gotten to that, Adadiche. That has pushed me to the wall. At this point, I'm ready to bounce back. Excuse me.
Do you like all those things?
I expected you to have left with the person you came in with.
Really?
You're welcome to my humble abode once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
What can I offer you?
Oh, nothing, I'm fine.
Nothing? Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Very well then. Over the phone you said you have something very important to discuss with me.
Yes, that's true.
All right, I'm all ears.
The thing is, Tobena, your son, introduced me to Chief as the woman he wants to marry. But Chief said no to the proposal.
I'm aware of that already. Yes, I'm aware.
Well, please, can you help talk to Chief? The truth is, I'm in love with your son and I'm ready to marry him. I crave your indulgence if you can help smoothing things out with Chief. Please.
Do you love my son?
Yes, ma'am. Very much.
Very much.
Very much.
Then cheer up. I'll talk to Chief. I'll make sure you marry Tobena.
Thank you so much, ma.
You don't have to mention it. Calm down.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome. So, what do I offer you?
This is enough. Like, I'm excited. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Yes? Hold on, please. Oh. Who's there? Hi.
Hi.
Sabrina, good to have you.
Same here, Linda. How are you?
I'm fine. Just that you came at the wrong time. Please sit.
Thank you. And how do you mean?
My friend that you came to see just stepped out.
Well, I actually came to see you, not your friend.
Oh, really? I hope all is well.
Hi, good afternoon, Auntie Choma.
Good afternoon, love. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hope all is well.
Yes, please. All is well, of course.
Okay.
I just want to have some conversation with you.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so the thing is, I just want to know why my father rejected my brother's proposal to you.
Sincerely, I have no idea.
I am pretty sure you know about it. And I plead you should just tell me the truth. Listen, if you tell me, we can just put it together and make a way out of this mess.
Okay, fine. The truth is, your father was really nice to me. And I just felt there was a need to repay his kindness. I offered to give him my body. Then he rejected me and threw me out. I guess that's why he rejected the proposal.
I thought as much. But it's not still bad.
Well, I feel really ashamed of myself.
Well, it's a normal thing, okay? You should not eat yourself up. We are humans. We make mistakes. And we'll just find a way to correct ourselves. So don't worry, we're going to look for a way to fix things up, okay?
Thank you so much. I appreciate your understanding.
You're welcome. I'll be on my way now.
Alright, bye.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the plans. You don't know what is in her mind.
Look, Lena, there's so many things going on in my life right now that I need to take a firm stand about. And part of those things, it's about your friend, Choma.
Tabina, I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Linda, I need you to tell me everything about your friend. Her past. Okay, I need to know about her past.
Don't you think your woman is in a better position to tell you about her past? Not me.
Look, Linda, I know that you're aware that my father said no. My father said I'm not going to marry her. Okay? So I'm asking questions. I need to know about her past. I need to know why my father said I am not going to marry her.
Then you should ask your father. Ask your father. Your father should give you answers why he said that.
Look, Lena, you're correct, okay? I know that my father has his own part to answer, but I just need to know, okay? Are there ugly parts of, ugly past of Choma that could have made my father insist, saying no to a marriage proposal? Tell me the truth, please.
No, not at all. Choma she's got no ugly sides. She's clean.
Then why is my father saying no? Saying blatant no to a marriage proposal. Why?
I don't know. Your father should know better.
She already told me why you rejected her.
What exactly did she tell you?
She said she wanted to pay you back for your kindness with her body.
She told you that?
Mm-hmm.
So now tell me, a lady who can do that, who will be so ready to pay for kindness with her body, is that the kind of woman you want for your brother?
Well, it depends.
It depends on what? Look at me.
No.
Open this gate. Open this gate, you moron.
That's mommy's voice.
I know your mom. What does she want?
She's here.
Who be that? Oh, not fire you there by asking me who I am. My son, open the gate.
you alright? Abeg, are you alright? Madam, abeg, don't go inside. My oga been give instruction. Say make I not allow you come inside for any reason. So abeg, madam.
You are very stupid to tell me what your senseless oga said.
Madam, abeg, I am not stupid and my oga is not senseless. Please, for the sake of my work, abeg.
Come and carry me. No, come and carry me out.
Madam,
if you hear me now, I'll push you to your grave.
Madam, please, for the sake of my work. How? Hey! Yummy! Yummy!
Like I told you over the phone, I will not allow you impose a girl on my son. Allow him to make his choice. And I've come to see to it.
I think I should just allow both of you sort yourselves.
There's nothing to sort out.
You know, I am very surprised. Very surprised that finally you decided to show your very ugly face around here.
You know you are the one with the ugly face. Why are you this wicked Polycarp Wazo? To the extent of showing it to your own children? Why?
You know, the one who is absent during a burial will always get confused if required to show where the head is. I am not going to say anything again concerning this.
Listen, whatever it is you are planning will not work. Stay clear from my son's way of success. Do you hear me?
And what exactly do you think I am planning?
You know already what I am talking about, so there is no need of reminding you about it.
You know, looking at you, I know you are hungry. It is written all over you. We have food in the kitchen. Go and eat so you have the energy to crawl back to where you came from.
That sounds like an insult. And I need you to withdraw that statement now.
But it is the truth.
Anyways, I've not come for one of your jokes. Allow my son to marry the love of his life.
I am not standing on his way. But he is not going to marry that girl.
Then you will have me to contend with.
You know, the least you could do for yourself is start war with me. You know exactly what will happen to you when the time comes. You know?
You know I can't take you serious because you are full of empty threats. Excuse me.
Love never dies. Let's wake this love.
It's okay.
Make it shine again. Like diamond, make it shine again. Oh baby, let us fix this love and make it.
Where's this boy? Adam! Adam!
Let us fix this love and
come on, open this gate.
So our love will shine.
Open the gate now. Why are you looking like a moron?
Madam, the gate is locked.
So, use your key and open the gate. I want to get out from here.
Madam, it be like say you don't understand what thing I dey try talk. I no get the key to open this particular key where they here.
Are you crazy? How is that my business? Go and get the key. Open the gate. I want to get out from this place.
Madam, I am telling you the gospel truth. Because
are you mad?
Madam, even the Bible says, say the truth, and the truth shall set you free. John 3:16. I don't have the key.
How did I end up here? Do you want me to slap you?
No, madam.
You don't have the key?
Yes, madam.
Where is the key to the gate?
Madam, I don't know.
I see. Polycarp was at it again. All right. You want to play this game? I will tell you that I am bigger than you.
Yeah. Yummy. Whoa! Who locked the gate? Who locked the gate? Give me some name, game for now. Shall not stand. Yeah.
Dad, I thought I heard Mom's voice.
Yes, your mom was here, but she's gone.
Gone?
Polycarp was whatever you are planning this afternoon would not work.
I thought you are gone. What are you doing back here?
Please, can you stop pretending as if you don't know the instruction you gave to your gate man?
I did not give any instruction to my gate man.
You told him to lock the gate so that I cannot leave.
What?
Right?
I cannot remember giving that kind of order to anybody.
Dad, Mom, I think at this point I have to excuse you two so that you can, catch up.
Well, I want to tell you that nothing in this house interests me anymore. Give them instruction to open the gate. I want to leave.
I need to understand exactly what you are saying. What are you talking about?
I know you're the one behind this. Why did you lock up the gate with another key?
Yeah, I'm doing it because I want to settle their dispute. I don't want mommy to leave here without consulting with daddy. So that's it.
And you think your tactics will work, right?
Obviously, it's true. Well, I'm not 100% sure, but it might work out.
Well, I hope so. Man, this house is lonely. We need mom in this house, Mom is needed here.
So now you're seeing the need for all these things I've been doing.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know.
Oh my days. Polycarp Ekwozo, you of all people should know that I do not like drama. Can you just end this well-scripted drama of yours because I am not interested?
I don't know what you are saying. I don't understand what you're calling drama, what is well scripted. What are you saying?
My problem is that you offended me. And now you're pretending as if you don't know. I want you to go on your knees and beg for forgiveness.
Maybe this will be the best time for you to explain it to me. How exactly did I offend you?
Don't even pretend like you don't know. Because I believe you know what I am talking about.
Honestly, I am not pretending. I don't know what you are talking about.
Well, you need to apologize to me.
All right. I am sorry. Is that okay?
Just that? That's too casual. You have to apologize like a real man.
Like a real man?
Yes, like a real man.
Thank you. Thank you for at least accepting before me that I am a real man.
Of course, you're a real man and no one is going to take that away from you. So I need you to apologize to me like a man should do. A real man should do to a woman. And now.
Mainly the woman that he loves, right?
Maybe.
Good. What if I say that first thing tomorrow morning, I am going to get you a brand new car as a way of apologizing like a real man.
Just that. That's too casual and simple.
Okay, you tell me. How else do you want me to apologize? Can you just turn this way and start looking at me? Okay, how else? How else do you want
I need everything in my room here renewed. Everything.
But
because I know I can afford car. I need gold. A trip to Dubai and money in my bank account.
The one who can afford a car can equally afford all these other things.
I need it to come from you.
You know what I'm going to just come? Tell me exactly what is it that I'm going to provide you.
Wow! This movie is interesting. You! Yeah. Mom.
Family. Together.
We didn't see anything. Don't worry.
What was going on here?
Oh, I see. You planned this with them.
Did you like it?
Love never dies, baby. Let's work this love, make it shine again, like diamond. Make it shine again.
Dad, let me get this straight. Are you saying that Chioma wanted to seduce you into sleeping with her?
Yes.
What? Dad, do you have proof to this?
She opened up to your sister.
She told you about it?
Yes.
What?
But she said she's truly sorry.
No, sorry can do. My son cannot marry such a lady. Because if you end up marrying her, there's every certainty that all the children will not come from your lineage.
Exactly what I said.
I have lost interest already. It is over. It is over between us. I'm done.
Well, losing interest in her must not be made to be the same thing as losing interest in women. Because we still have very decent ladies out there that you can choose from, and I need you to keep searching. Because one of them is waiting for you outside.
Well, let's take it back to us. I think this is our reunion needs to be celebrated.
Yeah. And now that you have resumed your office as the woman of this house, can you define how we are going to celebrate?
Dad, Mom, excuse me.
Son?
Mom, I need to be late now.
She may have succeeded in a lot of things, but she will never succeed in ruining my son.
Of course.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a God in child. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. Yes, rain go fall. Oh, yes, rain go follow. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain, no. Yes, rain go fall. A God in child. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear at all. Yes, rain go fall. She not the right thing to do. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain. Yes, rain go fall. Trouble comes and goes. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear trouble. Yes, rain go fall.
What is going on here? Mr. Man, are you not the one I'm talking to?
Touch me again if you're stupid.
Why are you finding it so difficult to answer my question?
What stupid question?
Why are you putting my woman's luggage into your car?
My mother is not your woman. She will never be. You hear me?
Then why are you putting her things into your car?
I do not owe you any explanation. But if you must know, my mother has reconciled with her husband, my father. So whatever nonsense you think you were having with my mother, it has ended. Idiot. Where do you think you're going?
Love never die, baby. Let's work this love, make it shine again, like diamond. Make it shine again, oh baby. Let us fix this love and make it new, oh baby. Let us fix this love and make it new. So our love will shine, shine like diamond, diamond. In the morning down. Let us rise up from ashes, like furnace bone. We shine again, baby. So our love will shine.
Well, I came to see Chief.
Which kind dog be that? Chief don't talk say make you know they come this house again. Why they stubbornly show your face?
Are you stupid? Will you keep your mouth shut?
Yeah,
Did I come here to see you? What would I see in your face? Are you mad? Don't you ever tell me that nonsense next time. Do you understand me? It is imperative I see Chief.
It is also important that you should not see Chief. That is the order. Could you refer to Norman get come palm? Yummy.
Try that rubbish with me.
How about you? Where did they go? I read him. Okay, see, I understand. Make we handle this matter like mature people, okay? Just wait. I could go tell Sir that you are here. Please.
All right, fine.
Oh, thank you. God could bless you.
Go now.
Well, it's actually a very simple thing. Decide exactly how you want it and let me know. And we can pick it up from there.
Then I need to write a proposal. I can't give you an estimate of it. So,
well, that is okay.
Before evening, I will do that.
Adam, what is it?
Sir, sorry to disturb you. Choma is at the gate. She says she wants to see you.
Tell her I don't want to see her.
No.
Sir, I don't tell her. I tell her, say you know one thing. But she dey argue with me just like Thomas in the Bible.
Just push her outside and let her remain there.
No. I think I need to speak to her in the language she will understand.
I don't understand why you want to do that. Why would you want to spend your energy explaining anything to Choma?
There is need for that. Just to know that we have taken stand on her matter.
To what end?
Concentrating her energy on something else than coming here to look for a relationship that has long ended. Honey.
Well, if you feel that it's okay.
I do.
But I think it's a waste of time.
I'll be with you right now.
No wahala.
Good afternoon.
Madam, you may leave.
Okay, madam.
There is nothing good about the day. You will not marry my son.
What? Are you talking to me?
I am talking to Choma and Dupe, and I repeat, my son will not marry you. Not while I'm still living.
But what have I done wrong, ma?
You know what you did already.
No, I don't. And please, you could as well tell me so I take corrections for next time.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. While I was away, You attempted to seduce my husband. True or false?
I'm deeply sorry, Ma. I don't know what came over me.
You're sorry.
Please.
Well, that singular act of yours has made you my enemy. And my son cannot marry my enemy.
Please, I'm so sorry, Ma.
Adam! Madam!
I'm truly sorry. Please, Ma.
No. Take her out of my house.
You don't know the plans. You just waka.
It's not by my might, it's not by my power, but by the authority of my madam. Please, can you go?
You just the force. You don't know what is in her mind.
Please.
She's a God in charge. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. Yes, rain go fall. Oh, yes, rain go follow. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain, no. Yes, rain go fall. A God in charge. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear at all. Yes, rain go fall. She not the right thing to do. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain. Yes, rain go fall. Trouble comes and goes. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear trouble. Yes, rain go fall.
Thank God you're here.
And what are you doing here?
My love, I have something to tell you.
If the nonsense you want to tell me is about you trying to say this is my father, sorry, my dear. I already know.
You know?
Yes, I do. I mean, Choma, how could you? How? So if not that my father is a very principled man, you would have opened your stupid and useless legs wide open for him behind my back. Why, Choma?
My love, I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry, my dear.
Sorry, I don't know what came over me.
Stupidity came over you. That's what came over you. And there's every tendency that it will come again. So to avoid crying had I known, okay? To avoid crying had I known along the line, I've decided to end this nonsense. It's over.
My love, please don't do this to
Don't
me.
touch me.
Please, come on.
It's already done, my dear. This thing is over. I can't stand you. It's
Please,
disgusting.
baby,
Get a
please,
life.
please,
Get out.
please,
Don't ever want to see you around my house again.
Love never dies, baby. Let's work this love, make it shine again, like diamond. Make it shine again, oh baby. Let us fix this love.
It's funny.
Yeah. I'm telling you.
Oh my heavens.
But yeah, I still can't do it.
Daddy?
Mommy? Adam.
Also, both of you called me for a discussion. Hope I'm safe.
Yes, you are very safe.
Thank God.
It's here that your mother and I are back in this house living together as man and wife in peace, happiness, and love. It's orchestrated by what you did.
Yeah, I just did the necessary thing. You know, I just wanted both of you together, and I'm glad you listened to me.
I don't know how you did it. I mean, I don't know how you were able to do it. But I am happy. And I am saying thank you.
You're welcome. Mommy, having both of you together is more important to me. I mean, it's more important than the air I breathe. So I just had to do everything possible to bring both of you back together.
Well, Adadisha, I want to ask you just one question.
Okay.
How do we celebrate you for the very wonderful feat you have achieved?
There is no call for celebration. I'm okay.
What? No. We have a lot to celebrate. Just mention anything you want and we will give it to you. Anything.
I don't need anything. You both already did something for me. And requesting for another thing would be a great request. And I don't like it.
You see, if we make the mistake of waiting for her to say something, we may end up forever.
You're right.
So I am thinking the best way to go about this is we're going to buy her a car.
Car? I already have one.
Then have two. There is no harm in having two cars.
Fine. Fine.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Daddy.
Come here.
You don't know the plans.
She's the newest owner of two cars at her age.
The latest car owner in town. Yes. Just name the car.
Okay.
Don't worry, I know what it is.
Fine.
Thank you.
So glad.
Thank you.
Welcome.
She not the fear, no. Yes, rain go fall. A golden child, but she not the fear, no. She not the fear.
Chomi, you've been like this for some time now. What's the problem?
I don't know who I've offended. Everything is falling apart. In fact, it has fallen apart. Everything I've built for myself, everything I've worked for, all the plans I've set in motion for a brighter future, just like that, all gone, falling apart.
Why are you sounding like this, and how do you mean?
Madam Concern just said her son would not marry me, that I had tried to seduce her husband.
You know, I really hate to be proven right, but I'm glad this happened.
Why are you happy at my misfortune? Linda, after everything I've done for you, you have the guts to laugh. Really?
This is not a misfortune. Don't blame this on misfortune. Girlfriend, you did this to yourself. You brought this upon yourself. Didn't I warn you? Didn't I tell you not to go that path? Didn't I tell you this would backfire? But you didn't listen to me. You wanted to do what you wanted to do. Now you want to blame your village people. How? How so? Deal with it. You brought this upon yourself.
I don't blame people for anything. I make my own destiny. You see that woman, that stupid and useless woman? She'll definitely call me. She'll be the one to beg me to marry her son.
Please, please, please. Quit daydreaming.
Really?
Wake up.
Does it look
Face
like
reality.
I'm lying down? Do you see me lying down? This is reality. I am Choma Ndukwe, the no-nonsense lady from the East who wouldn't settle for less or accept defeat. You know what, Linda? This is about to become a movie. Just have your popcorn ready.
I am waiting patiently.
You should.
But actually, good morning.
Good morning, my dear. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Sit down. I'm actually waiting.
Okay.
There is something I want us to discuss.
Okay.
There is this girl I have been seeing for a while now, okay? And I sincerely love her. I want to bring her home and introduce her to mom and dad as the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Okay, so this girl, how long have you known her?
Not quite long, but from our conversations over the phone, I can say that she's a good person. Yeah.
That means you've not even seen her?
No, not yet, but very soon. I know, yes.
I think you should see her first before talking about marriage.
I mean, there's no need for that. Okay? From our conversations, I mean, over the phone, I can tell you that this girl has all the qualities I need in a woman. Okay? She's loving, she's very smart and intelligent. Okay? All I want to do right now is just bring her over and introduce her to mom and dad and see how they take it.
Okay, no problem. Okay, just bring that in. We'll pick it up from there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for always having my back.
I'm always there to support you.
Thank you.
You're
I owe you one.
Alright.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a golden child.
Mr. Clinton, if it's to give you my friend's address, I will not do it. Never.
Sonia, please, you can do this. I love her so much, and I cannot do without her.
What is wrong with you? Clinton, what is wrong with you? She has gone back to her husband. Can't you get it?
Yes, I know she has gone back to her husband's house. But even if he's to set eyes on her for the last time, I will appreciate it.
I cannot do it. Never.
Please, Sonia, please. Do this for me. I will remain eternally grateful to you, please.
Maybe I should let you know that she actually asked me not to give you her address. Yes.
She did?
Of course. You can call her to confirm my words.
Sonia, I cannot call her. She blocked me everywhere.
Really?
I cannot reach her on the phone. Even social media handle, she blocked me everywhere.
Really? Clinton is that not enough for you to understand that this woman does not want to have anything to do with you? Is it not enough reason? Come on, Clinton. Move on. Move on. And lastly, today should be the first and the last you ever call me for this rubbish. She's a married woman. Get that into your score.
Love never dies, baby. Let's work this love, make it shine again, like diamond. Make it shine again, oh baby. Let us fix this love and make it new. Oh baby, let us fix this love.
Are you mad? They don't tell you say make you know they come here. What is your problem? You're stupid. You're very stupid. You ever stop me with the Is it because I have been kind? Is it because I have
What nonsense is going on here? Do you ever get tired?
I am not here for you.
And who the hell are you here to see?
Well, I came to see your mom.
Sorry to disappoint you, my dear. My mom is not going to see you. Now get out.
Don't be too sure.
I am 100% sure that my mom is not going to see you.
What's going on here?
Oh, I actually came to see your mom. And he is refusing me from doing that.
But why?
Because she no longer belongs here.
No, don't do that. Just let her see mom, okay? It's not bad.
And why does she want to see me?
Oh, just the person I wanted to see. Well, there's something urgent that is at risk here. And you are the only one that can rescue it.
What could that be?
Madam Concern, what I need to tell you is not meant for third party. It's meant for your ears only.
Well, Mom, enough of all this nonsense drama. Let this idiot get out of this compound right now.
Follow me.
Mom?
I'm so sorry, okay? I hope I didn't keep you waiting for too long.
No.
Are you sure you're not angry?
No, I'm not angry.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Alright, let's go. I need to go and see my parents. Man, my father and my mother, they cannot wait to see you.
I can't wait either.
Let's go. Let's go.
Are you blackmailing me?
Do not call it blackmail to make it look like a lie. It's the truth. And we must always speak the truth.
What exactly do you want?
What do I want? I love that question. What I want? I want to marry your son. Yes, do not get me wrong. I will make a very good wife to him. I promise. On Scout's honor. And I trust that, with what you now know that I know, you are going to make it work.
Really?
Yes, really.
You talk as if you've forgotten what you did. And now my husband is involved. You know who he is. You think it will be very easy for us to erase what you did and accept you here in this home as a daughter-in-law?
Well, I know what I did. And I regret my actions. Of course, everyone has a past. You agree with me. Considering the fact that you already know what I know about you and Clinton. So trust me, Madam Concern, you will fix it. Yes. Fix this, else. I am so itchy. My mouth is just itchy to spill every dirty, dark thing I know about you and Clinton. And I know you don't want that. I'll be counting on you to do just that, okay? Trust me. I had a pleasant visit with you. Have a nice day, Madam Concern.
Honey, it's like, I want us to talk.
It has to wait until I come back in the evening.
But it's very urgent. So we need to give it an urgent attention.
Okay, what is it?
I'm aware that you know that Tobina has gone to bring the woman he wants to marry, right?
Yeah, that is right.
Honey, I don't think that will be fine. We don't need it.
A very beautiful wife. Why will you say that?
See, the devil we know is better than the angel we've not seen.
And where is this coming from?
Okay, say this way. Choma is the devil we know. And the new girl he's bringing is an angel we've not seen. I think the best way is for Tobena and Choma to reconcile and move on with their lives.
Why will you say that? To the best of my knowledge, Tobena has moved on with his life, and I am certain the Choma you are talking about has equally moved on. There is no need trying to reconcile them.
Honey, there is need for reconciliation. Yes.
What?
If there is no sin, there won't be forgiveness. Let us use this medium to teach our son the art of forgiveness. Listen, if we don't use this opportunity to teach Tobena that sins and offenses can be forgiven, we might not get this opportunity again.
I think you are right. You are right, indeed.
Thank you for your understanding. By the way, you look good.
Thank you for saying that. And you look gorgeous.
Thank you.
All right, then. Have a nice day.
That is my darling sister. Meet my angel. And you meet my loving sister. You already know her.
And you look pretty.
And you are so beautiful. I am pleased to meet you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So welcome to our humble abode.
Your home is very beautiful.
Thank you.
Where's mom and dad?
They're inside.
Let's go inside.
Dad, are you going out?
Yes.
Dad, I thought we discussed this. We discussed that I was going to bring the woman I love to show you and mom. So why are you going out?
And your woman doesn't know how to greet.
Please forgive me, ma. Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, sir.
Tobena, I will see you shortly.
Dad?
He has a business meeting to catch.
Mom?
Toby, come. Now.
Toby!
Come, okay. Relax. Right? You just, right? Mom. Mom.
Did I do something?
No, it's fine. Everything will be fine. Just calm down. Do you care for anything?
I really don't have appetite for it.
No, it's okay. Let me just get something for you.
Mom, I hope all is well.
Son, please. I want you to reconcile with Chioma.
What? No, Mom. I won't do anything like that. I won't do it.
According to the Bible, if there is no sin, there won't be forgiveness.
Oh, Mom, please stop. Don't talk to me about the Bible, Mom. Don't preach to me, please. I won't do it.
Your father and I had a discussion about this, and we have come to the conclusion that you will reconcile with Chioma and bring her back to the family.
What? You had a conversation with my father to the point that you reached the conclusion without me knowing, Mom? Why wasn't I aware of this discussion?
Please, can you just calm down? It's a mistake on our own path, okay? Please. We have concluded that this will be. So I want you to go tell the girl to leave.
I would do no such thing, Mom.
Excuse me.
I will not do it. You cannot order me around. You cannot dictate for me who I will spend the rest of my life with.
Then I will do it.
What?
Yes. If you're not going to tell her to leave, I will tell her to leave.
Mom. What has come over you? Mom, what is this? Why this sudden change? When did you become this hostile? When?
Now.
This is not you, Mom. This is not you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your father must be a very rich man.
Why do you say so?
I mean, look at your house and all these things. It is only a rich man that can afford them.
Yes. You may be right, because my father is a businessman and he told me that he's not doing so badly. So,
Let's leave this place right now.
why?
We'll talk about that later. Let's go.
What is going on?
I said we'll talk about that later. Let's go! I'm coming.
Mommy, do you know Mercy from anywhere?
No, why do you ask?
What did you tell Brother Tobe about Mercy?
I didn't say anything to him.
You did. And that must be a negative thing that made him react that way.
My dear, I didn't. If you want, you can call Tobenna to verify.
Well, I don't care whatever you must have told him. But Mercy is the one for him. Mercy is the girl he will marry.
Adadiche, you are not in any position to decide who your brother marries.
That includes you. You two should not decide who he will marry. Let's not interfere in his matter. Please. Don't go and poison his mind.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a golden child. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. Yes, rain go fall. Oh, yes, rain go follow. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain, no. Yes, rain go fall. A golden child. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear at all. Yes, rain go fall.
Babe. Please, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry about everything.
Your parents don't like him.
Babe, don't say that. Okay, that's not true.
I saw it. I saw the anger on your mother's face, the look in her eyes. She was so upset. They did not even respond to my greetings.
I know. I feel there's a mix-up somewhere. Okay? I will try and sort it out. I promise you.
A mix-up?
Yes.
They've never met me before. It's the first time, yet it seems like she's known me from somewhere, like I did something wrong. I have never been this confused my entire time. I literally felt cold at that moment.
It's okay. It's alright. Okay, look, I just can't lay my hands on anything at the moment. Okay, but I promise you, as soon as my dad comes back this evening, okay, I will talk to him and try and sort this out. I mean, I will sort whatever the problem is, I'll sort it out. I promise you. Please.
It's fine.
Please.
It's fine. I'll be waiting.
I'm sorry, okay? Let me drop you off.
Blackmailing that woman is a very dangerous thing, and I want you to stop.
Those who fight must fight with every weapon at their disposal. I won't stop until I'm reunited with Obina.
She is not the reason for your separation with Obina.
I know.
Why drag her into the picture?
Trust me, in every war, there are casualties. And I won't stop until I achieve all my aim and objectives.
That's so unfair.
All is fair in love and in war. She's the only leverage I've got, so I will use her till I get what I want.
Chummy, this path you are treading is a very dangerous one. And I would advise you think twice before walking through that path.
Thanks for the advice, dearest friend. It's not needed. I've got my hands set on the plow and looking back. Because if I do, I'll be making a very big mistake. It simply means I didn't know what I wanted in the first place. Why I started out to blackmail her. I must see this to the end. And that's final.
Dad, Mom told me that you two already had a discussion that I should go back to Choma.
That is correct.
Why, if I may ask?
Forgiveness. Oh yes, we intend to teach you the whole concept of forgiveness. Because marriage is not a bed of roses. When you are finally married, to Benna, one way or the other, you are going to offend your wife. And your wife will equally offend you, one way or the other. So we needed to teach you that forgiveness is important. That when you are married, that no matter what your wife does, no matter the offense, no matter the crime she may have committed or she will commit, that you are going to forgive her and move on in life.
Father, I disagree with you, not in this context, Father. There are things I cannot forgive. A woman who attempts to tempt my own father into sleeping with her under the same roof, in the same house, she knows very well that we all are going to live together. Father, certainly not that kind of woman, Father. I will not forgive Choma.
Tobina, you cannot debate this, okay? The decision is made and
No,
that's
Mother.
final.
No, Mother. It cannot be final. Mother, my word should be final, not yours. I am the one wearing the shoes here, Mother. Mercy is the one I want to get married to and not Choma.
Supported with my full chest.
Will you shut your mouth? We don't talk when adults are talking.
This is family matter, and I belong to this family. Besides, this family does not consist of adults only.
My daughter is right. The woman in question is going to become her sister-in-law, so her opinion should be able to count.
Honey, please, can you not just get involved in this? This is something that squarely falls in my office as the woman of the house, and I am handling it.
Stop already, Mom. Stop twisting this whole thing to mean I am not man enough to know who I want to marry. Forgiveness is personal. That you are forgiving someone does not mean we all should forgive the person at the same time. Choma crossed the line. She crossed the line the very minute she decided to throw herself at my father. I will not forgive her, Mom.
She's changed. Okay?
Mom, please stop.
I'm the one wearing the shoes. I know where it pinches.
Honey, can you just please make him to understand?
I'm still trying to process it with him.
Then do it fast.
Nothing can stop me now. I learned you finally brought a girl home.
Yes.
That means you're taking me for granted.
How, dear?
I told you about my intention to marry your son.
The plan was already in motion before you came up with your own plan.
Really?
Yes.
So what did you do when he brought the girl home?
I told Tobina that it will not work.
Is that all you told him?
I also told him to go back and reconcile with you.
Perfect. What did he say?
He's fighting against it.
Of course, I know he will fight. But you need to press it down his neck. In fact, choke him with it. He must come back to me.
I'm already at it. So consider it done.
That'll be all for tonight. Good night.
Oh God, I just pray this works. Just pray.
Shoma, whatever nonsense you call yourself. See that thing you're planning? It will not work. You hear me? It will not work!
My love, what are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
No, I do not know what you're talking about.
Hey, don't try this pretense game with me. Hear me? You know what I'm talking about. How come my mom all of a sudden is fond of you?
Oh, really? Well, the thing is, I'm not in your mom's head. So I wouldn't know why she suddenly became fond of me. That's beside the point. I'm actually very sorry, you know. And I won't stop being sorry for everything I did. I think the best person to answer your question is your mother and not me.
Listen.
But I will not stop apologizing for what I did. I know it was wrong.
Shoma, keep your apology to yourself. I don't need it.
No, I wasn't apologizing to you.
I said shut up.
Oh, okay.
This relationship is over. Let it remain that way. You hear me? And hey, don't try to push it. Or whatever you see, you take it.
Ah, Tobina, you just dared me. This won't stop. I will see to the end.
I heard everything you said.
I know it's not going to be easy. I must win in the end.
This guy knows you're using his mother to get back into his life. Don't you think that's wrong?
I know he knows, but there's nothing he can do about it. Besides, can you stop talking to me about what is wrong or what is right? I'm not a kid. Come on.
Shoma, this is not going to work.
It will work.
What makes you think so?
It's quite simple. I have Madam Concern exactly where I want her. Well, I am certain everything's going to work out fine. That alone, it's a win for me.
Chima, will you please look elsewhere? I mean, there are 1,000,001 men out there ready to settle with you. Must it be Tobina?
Can you stop? Can you just shush your mouth? There are 1,000,001 men out there. But have I come to tell you that I'm interested in the 1,000,001 men? Did I send you any memo? Tobina is the man for me. He is the one I want. No one else. Okay? He will succumb. Yes. Relax. Everything is just going to work out fine. I'm not worried about it. He will definitely succumb and everything will go back to normal.
I hate to say I told you so. Don't come back crying.
Can you just keep your self-righteous attitude to yourself, Mother Mary? I don't need it. Nobody asked you for any advice. And please, I don't need you talking to me anymore, okay? I need to think.
My dear friend, I am happy you're back to Chief's house.
Same here, my dear. I am happy. There's no place like home.
Yes.
I'm relaxed now, not worried about anything, but I have a pain in the neck.
The pain? Where is the pain, my dear?
I'm being blackmailed.
Being blackmailed? By who?
Choma. Her name is Choma. The girl my son was supposed to marry.
What's she blackmailing you on?
She knows about Clinton and I. She has our sex tape.
No.
I didn't know how she get that.
No way. So what does she want?
That I should make sure my son marries her, or she will play the tape to my family.
I don't know what to do. This is a very big problem. To be honest with you, this is a very big problem. So, what are you going to do about it?
What else? I'm doing everything within my power to make sure they come back together.
It's fine. But at this point, honestly, I don't know what to do. I'm sorry.
I understand. I wish all this didn't happen. Honestly. I wish Clinton and I never crossed paths.
Everything will be fine. Trust me.
Yes. How?
I promise you, everything will be fine.
Make it shine again.
Tabina, if your parents don't like me, I think you should just let it be. I don't think you should push.
No. My love, listen, okay? It is my duty to make them love you. Yes.
But I've been wondering.
About what?
What did I do? I mean, how come they hate me at the very first sight? Why? Did I do something
Babe,
wrong?
please, can we just forget about this? I mean, think about what we have at hand, okay? Please.
It's fine, if you say so.
I say so.
So, how do you intend to deal with this?
Alright, I need you to move into the house with us.
What?
You heard me?
No, that's not possible. I mean, not after everything that happened. No, I can't. It's impossible.
Baby,
Please.
it is possible, okay? I just need your approval. Please.
Tobina, I am not trying to reject your offer, but listen, I just don't want trouble. I don't want to have issues with your parents, so maybe you should take some time and sort things out first.
Stay calm, please. Let me deal with this. You know, sometimes you don't need to run away from troubles. You need to face it head on to have a lasting solution. Alright? And one of the ways that I need to sort this out is for you to move into the house with us. Please. Do this for me, please.
Can I take some time to think about this? Because it doesn't feel right.
Babe, please, do this for us, I beg you.
That's fine, whatever you want. So when do you want to move in?
Tomorrow.
That's fast. Why'd you rush?
Yeah, I want it very fast. In fact, it's the perfect time. You know, my dad used to say that "Noku noku kaneri hunyago." You understand? It simply means that one must be sensitive enough to know where to apply urgency where urgency is needed. Okay? Please.
Okay, fine. But I won't be staying in your room.
Come on. Babe, we have more than 4 unoccupied rooms in our house. I mean, just move in first, please. Please.
Love never die, baby.
Smile for me, please.
Let's wake this love.
Smile for me.
Make it shine again.
Her phone is ringing. She called for this meeting. And to make matters worse, she's not picking. What is the meaning of this? Oh God, pick your call now, pick.
Let us rise up from ashes like furnace bone. We shine again, baby. So our love will shine like diamond in the morning down. Let's make this love to shine again. Let's renew this love to shine again, baby. Please, so our love will shine. can make it right, baby.
Why are you not picking up that call? If you're not going to take that, I'm going to pick that up.
No, you won't even try that. This is my fault. You don't take my calls. Besides, I want her to wait.
Why are you punishing this woman?
Nothing.
What if she gets too anxious and goes back home?
Oh, trust me. She wouldn't dare.
Don't be too sure.
Well, baby girl, I am 100% sure. I have her exactly where I want her. And she will do exactly what I tell her to do. It's as simple as that.
I hate to say this, but you're playing a very dangerous game, and this is definitely going to fire back at you.
Well, darling, of course I know there will be after effects. But trust me, I'll be long married to Tubina, before anyone finds out what I'm doing. And when they eventually do, the rest will be history.
Wait. You want to get married to Tubina, and your mother-in-law will be the same woman you blackmailed. Wait, Choma. How do you intend to play your way around that?
This is my game. Allow me play the way I see fit. Don't interfere. Okay, fine. You win. I'm taking a corner. I'm going to change my shoes. Just go change them.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a golden child. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. Yes, rain go fall. Oh, yes, rain go follow. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain, no. Yes, rain go fall. A golden child. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear at all. Yes, rain go fall. She know the right thing to do. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain. Yes, rain go fall. Trouble comes and goes. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear trouble.
Angel, I have been looking for you around the compound. You know you were here.
Yeah, I just decided to have some time for myself.
Okay, hope it's well.
Yeah, it's well.
Alright,
Please, can I ask some questions?
Alright, just a minute, let me get a seat. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so I just need an honest answer. Do you love Mercy that much to the extent of marrying her?
Yes, I do. I mean, with all of my heart. Why do you ask?
What about bringing her home so we live together?
How would you say? How would you say that? I mean, that was exactly what I discussed with her.
Exactly. Because to me, I think that is the only way mom and dad will adjust and like her. That is the only way they will accept her. I mean, at first they'll kick against it, but your love must surely prevail. Don't you think so?
I know it's not going to be easy. I mean, I know mom and dad will surely kick against it. But, Adadichi, I need you to promise me. Will you support me? I need you on my side.
Sure. I mean, you're my brother. You have all my support.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You're my darling sister, and I'll always hold you high.
Same here. You're my best brother in the world, and I will always hold you highest.
All right, then. You just made my day. Thank you. Let me take a shower. Okay?
First off, I'm not here for a question and answer section.
Are you this rude?
Shut your mouth. Let's discuss the reason I'm here.
Did you just say I should shut my mouth up?
I did. Besides, I'm in no mood to banter words with you.
Okay. Why do you request to see me?
Well, I want to move in with you and Chief as Tobena's wife-to-be.
I beg your pardon? How?
Well, I've made my demands. It's up to you to set up the structure on how it's gonna work. I'll be expecting your call tonight on when I'm moving in. I'll be waiting.
This is not happening. This is not just happening to me.
Well, without mincing words, my answer is no.
Why, Father? Why?
Chioma is your wife, and you have to stick to her.
No, Father. You started it. Father, I want to see what you started to the rightful end.
What did I start?
Father, you told me. You said to me that Chioma is not good and fit enough to be my wife. Father, you went as far as telling me that if at the end of the day I end up getting married to Chioma, there are tendencies that all the children she will bear might not be my biological children. Why the sudden change, Father?
Well, I said that, but having critically analyzed everything, I have changed. Everything has changed.
What exactly changed, Father?
Sit down. I am going to answer your question using a term in football, a new term in football called video assisted referee, VAR. Yes, it's something new, but it will answer your question. We have seen several times during football matches when the referee will make a decision based on what he or she has seen. And all the players will gather around the referee protesting that the decision is wrong, insisting that the referee should go and consult the VAR. And we have seen where the referee will just decide to please the players, and then he goes or she goes to consult the VAR and then sees clearly and then overturns decision made originally. That is just the same case here.
I don't understand, Father. I mean, what are you saying? Why bringing a non-substantial scientific hypothesis of a football match of what do you call it? Video-assisted referee to influence my marital status to the woman I love and I want to spend the rest of my life with, Father?
I don't understand all this grammar you are breaking.
It's something you said, Father.
No. I have consulted the relationship VAR, and I now know that Chioma is the best thing that can happen to you.
Sorry to disappoint you, Father. It will not work. Father, I will never get married to Choma. That's fine. Excuse me.
Come back here. Come back here and take this glass left of my table. This boy actually thinks I'm joking. What?
You didn't sound well over the phone. I hope there's no problem.
I'm tired. This girl is asking for the impossible.
Who?
Chioma, of course.
Chioma. What does she want?
This time she wants to move in with us.
I will tell you the truth, my dear friend. At this point, you should oblige her.
Eh?
Yes. I mean, you can't afford her to release those videos. If Chief and your children sees those videos, you know what that means? They will hate you forever. So, my dear, please, I am begging you, bring her in, target her phone, and delete the videos. Please. Yes.
Are you sure?
I am very sure.
Oh, thanks for the advice. What if I send boys to her house?
What?
Yes.
No way.
Let them steal her phone.
Then no. You are not going to do that. You don't want to get things worse. Please just relax, okay? Relax. Just allow her in. Achieve your goal. And everything will be fine.
God. Okay, thanks for the advice. But, you know, I could pay somebody to hack her phone. I mean, hackers.
It's not a good idea. So just relax, please. Okay?
Oh, Sonia, how did I end up that?
It's okay. Everything will be fine.
Adadisha, I will appreciate it if you will go straight to the point. Because I don't have all day.
Daddy, all my life I've always known you as a decisive man that hardly changes from his conviction. So why the sudden change of mind? What happened?
I already discussed this with your brother and I have explained everything to him.
Okay, so please, can you explain it to me?
If actually you want to know, discuss with your brother. I've explained everything to him.
I know Mom is the one pushing. I know.
Really?
Yes.
The same man you just qualified as being decisive is the one you believe anybody is pushing?
Because you have changed. This is not you. You have changed to the extent I don't even know you anymore.
I am telling you now that I have not changed. I am not one of those men that anybody can push into doing anything. Indeed, I am a decisive man. And for me to decide on anything will mean I have critically analyzed it before taking a stand. Okay?
That is why you want the same lady that tried seducing you several times to marry my brother.
To err is human and to forgive is divine. That saying kept echoing in my head. And it dawned on me suddenly that I have to forgive this lady because she is indeed a human. Do you have a problem with that?
I have a problem with it. A lot of problems.
Then you have to deal with your problem because I am not part of your problems. Okay?
But Daddy, do you think...
This is all I can take in this. In fact, I have come to the end of this discussion. Thank you. Get me water to drink.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a golden child. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. Yes, rain go fall. Oh, yes, rain go follow. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain, no. Yes, rain go fall. A golden child. She not the fear rain, no. She not the fear at all. Yes, rain go fall. She not the right thing to do. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain. Yes, rain go fall. Trouble comes and goes. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear.
Babe, let's go inside.
Wait. Are you sure?
Babe, I said let's go inside.
I don't feel comfortable here.
Hey, come on. I am here. Okay? I'm here. Let's go. Adam! Wait for my signal, okay? I'll tell you when to get our luggages inside. Let's go.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka.
I'll be the one in charge of the kitchen today, Mommy.
Why, my dear?
Because we'll be expecting a special guest.
Special guest?
Yes.
I don't know about. Who is that?
Oh.
Welcome.
You? What do you want here? I'm asking, what are you doing here?
Good afternoon.
I asked you a question that requires an answer and not greeting. What are you doing here?
She's here to stay.
Excuse me?
You heard me, Mom?
You're joking, right?
No,
He's not joking. He's going to show it to you.
Just go. If you dare move. If you dare move.
Keep moving now.
He said keep moving.
Go on.
What do you mean by keep moving?
Mom, don't start.
Come inside, come inside.
Don't start.
Come.
What do you think you're doing?
Mom, I am doing what makes me happy.
Tobinna!
Mom, I am doing what makes me happy.
She can't move in here.
She's moving already.
Stop there!
Mom, you can't stop her. There's nothing you or Dad or anyone can do about it. It's my happiness, my joy, my peace. Take her to my room.
No. This is not happening. This is not happening. What do I tell Chioma? What do I tell her?
Hello? What? When? Thanks for the information. I'll act on it right away. Thank you. This woman wants to play me dirty. I'm not having it. Just go in there now, pack my bags, and I'm there too.
Pack your bags? Are you traveling?
No.
So why are you going to pack your bags?
I was just reliably informed that the girl Tobina wants to marry just moved into Chief's house. Yes. So it simply means I have to move in also. What? And of course, do not tell me it's over, because it is not over. Okay? I'm moving in.
Wait. Choma, why do you keep making big mistakes? repeating mistakes over and over again.
What mistake exactly? How is it a mistake that I'm fighting for what rightfully belongs to me? Besides, you should be grateful. Because I'm moving out and I'm moving into Chief's house. It simply means you have this whole place to yourself. I'm not even asking you for rent. So come on, be grateful. I have to hurry. I have a more important mission.
God, Choma. Choma will never change. Why is she so desperate? Whatever. It's a mistake. It's a life.
I am talking and you are walking away. What is wrong with you?
Father, Watson.
Remember, you dare not go against my instruction. It doesn't happen.
Father, what are you talking about? What are you talking about, Father? I am an adult. I have the right to choose who I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Listen, we as your parents, we have a duty to guide you to make sure you are making the right decision.
Father, not when the guidance is leading to nowhere. It's leading to a blood end, Father. It is my life, my choice, my wife. I know what I want.
You don't know what you want. And that is why we're telling you to end whatever you think you have with that girl. What is so special about her after all?
Exactly the same point. I mean, exactly the same question I've been asking. What's so special about that, Choma? Why are you all of a sudden pushing that towards me? Why?
Listen, we are not going to hold this conversation with you and keep having this argument with you. Go back to your room and ask that girl to leave.
I will not do that, Father.
You will not do that?
Yes.
That means you are leaving me with no other option than to throw her out myself.
Dad, you're not going to do that. It's my life. My wife. You won't do that.
That.
Well, your madam asked me to come. You can just go in there and verify my claim.
You sure say madam asked you to come? Because if I go confirm and she tell me say nah no, Mama say you are not thinking to me.
Yes, she did, Adam.
You have to calm down. Let me go and tell her. Don't move from here for security
Can you just
purpose.
stop wasting my time?
It's okay.
Thank you.
Tobenda, open this door. I said you should open the door.
Oh. You didn't tell me you were coming.
I know.
So what do you want this time?
Well, I moved in.
Excuse me?
Yes. Take me to his room.
I haven't discussed this with him.
Well, take me inside, then you can discuss it with him.
Very well then, come.
Oh, excuse me. My bag.
What is wrong with your bag?
Oh, I'm a VIP and should be treated as such. I'm your daughter-in-law to be. Come on, you don't expect that I start lifting heavy loads at this early in this relationship?
You want me to carry your bag?
There's,
Chioma.
there's no one else here. Thank you. Oh my God, this house is so magnificent. Ah, what a beautiful house.
This woman don't go do jazz. She don't go do jazz. She don't double jazz. But I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. Save for a minute, you for who get them in. Because the Bible says, though I walk through the valley and the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. Let the church say, amen. Cover myself with the blood of Jesus. You shall not see me. You shall not see me.
Babe, you just need to calm down, okay?
I'm trying.
Just try harder.
I told you I don't want to be in your room. Why did your sister bring me here?
Hey, my room is the best place for you right now. Please.
I should go.
No.
Tobe, now my presence here is causing a whole lot. Let me just
No,
go.
no. Please. Please, I beg you. Look, if I should take you to another room, I'm afraid this whole thing might get worse. Okay? So my room is the best place for you, and I promise you I'll handle this. Okay? Look at me. We're in this together. Right? It's okay, please. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. It's okay.
Tobenna, your wife to be is here. Take her to your room.
I will do no such thing, Dad.
Tobenna, the least you could do is to battle words with your father.
Mom, I am not bantering words with him. I'm only taking my stand. Mom, I will go to any length to resist any form of imposition. Don't know this fool.
I think now that she's here, let's treat this matter properly.
What do you mean?
How do you mean?
This lady here is blackmailing Mom.
No, that's not true. Will you shut up?
No, don't shut me up, because I know what I'm saying. She's threatening to tell Daddy about Mommy's relationship with Mr. Clinton.
Anyway, that's not why we're here. Tobe, take her to your room, please.
Mom, don't tell me you did not tell that about your dealings with that fool. That fool that fought me the day I came to visit you.
Who is Clinton, my dear?
Huh?
Is he a Nigerian?
Go ahead, speak.
We used to be friends.
Okay.
That was when I was not here. Do you get? So as soon as I moved in back to the house, I blocked him. I erased everything about him, make sure he won't have access to reach me, but social media and the phone call. Trust me.
Well, we are not going to discuss this because I have already made up my mind. The very moment we reconciled and your mother got back to this house, I concluded that whatever that happened in the past must remain in the past. So we shouldn't go there. It's in the past.
Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay.
So, hello, cheap little blackmailer. Since your blackmail can no longer hold water, I think you should just pack your rags out of my father's house.
Would you watch her speak to me in that manner?
Will you shut up? Get up and get your miserable self out of this compound.
Wait, before she leaves. Daddy, she has a sexual video of mommy and Mr. Clinton.
Oh, hey! Hold it right there. Hey.
Sit down.
Hold it.
Sit!
You don't need anybody to tell you you are actually standing before a man who is absolutely connected in this country. I know who to call and you will go in never to be seen again. I'm not going to press charges, hold you, arrest you for blackmail and all that. But that will be on the condition that we will have an agreement here and now to get rid of all the videos you have. Look at me. Where are the videos?
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a God in child. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. Yes, rain go fall. Oh, yes, rain go follow. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear rain. Oh, yes, rain go fall. A God in child. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear at all. Yes, rain go fall. She not the right thing to do. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear rain. Yes, rain go fall. Trouble comes and goes. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear trouble. Yes, rain go fall. But she not the fear rain.
It has finally casted, though it has casted.
What do you mean?
That little witch destroyed all my plans.
So?
It's finished.
How?
She told Chief that Madam Concern was only supporting me simply because I was blackmailing her. And that's how everything just went.
Oh my God. How did she know about the blackmail?
I don't know. I don't know. Everything has just crashed like a pack of cards. Just within a second, everything just scattered.
Okay. Don't cry. I hate to tell you that I warned you about this, but you didn't listen to me. It's fine. Please.
It will never be fine.
Come on, pull yourself together. It's not the end of the world.
What are you saying? It's not the end of the world. My whole world just ended. Everything has ended. And you're telling me it's not the end of the world. I know you're happy. At least it has finally happened to me now. So you're happy.
You know that's not true. I never wish you here. I never wish you bad. I just saw this coming. I knew it was going to get to this. That was why I kept warning you. It's okay. It's fine. Please stop crying. Please pull yourself together. Stop crying, please. Oh? You are charming.
I have nothing left. I have nothing left.
You don't know the plans. You just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans. You just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a God in child. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. Yes, rain go fall. Oh, yes, rain go follow. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear rain. Yes, rain go fall. The God in child. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear. Yes, rain go fall. She not the right thing to do. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear rain.